Hello and welcome. I'm here with Zach McKay, the Head of Sales at MCP, and I'm going to ask him a few questions of how he started here. Hello Zach, thank you for joining me. So, how did you start at MCP?
So, I'll be honest, I started work here at 2006, came here for a summer job. I wasn't really planning for my career to be in this sort of industry, but when I got here, I saw the potential and never left, and that's really how I started.
Right, to follow up with that, what's it like working in a family-run business?
I like it, I think it's good. I like to introduce it to customers. I think it shows loyalty in the business. Also, I like the dynamic here. I like the fact that, you know, what we say sort of matters. And, you know, obviously I've got family members, my dad running the business, of course. But I personally, I like the whole family business dynamic because I can, you know, see if Steve says something and I don't think it necessarily fits, I'll tell him.
Yeah.
And the same he'd do with me. And I sort of feel that we respect each other from that point of view. So I like the family business dynamic here.
Perfect. Could you give me a quick overview of MCP product ranges and specialties?
Yeah, so I'll give you an idea of the full range. So we supply everything in motion, so everything for the automation industry. So we're talking HMI PLCs, so the main control, different communication protocols down to servo motors, stepper motors. So we're talking about the drives, compact servo drives, servo motors to go with it, encoders on the back, stepper drives, different communication protocols with the stepper drives, and again the stepper motors, all the way down to the mechanical products. So we're talking stainless steel, rod style actuators, normal linear actuators, to magnet-free linear motors and tracks, and you know, specialty type of motors like compact Harmonic actuators. So we've got a big old range, to be fair. So we are spread over a few industries, but we do tend to have more or less something for your application.
Perfect. So, can you share any of your notable achievements at MCP?
So my personal notable achievements are really the experience that I've learned in MCP, the experience that I've learned within the automation industry. So initially, obviously, working down in the stores. So it's not like I've just walked into the company and I'm working in sales and a sales director and I don't know what I'm talking about. I know a bit about what I'm talking about, but I've had to learn that, yeah. So I've worked down from the stores. I've gone up to eBay and web. Back in the day, we were one of the first. I'm sure there would have been others, but we were one of the first to start selling our products for the web shop. So I was handling a lot of the orders with that. I was processing a lot of the orders coming through our web shop and eBay. And then eventually I worked into sales, got myself out on the road under a few sales managers at the time. And then eventually obviously built my way up to sales director. So my personal notable achievements are the experience that I've learned within the business and the different roles that I've had within the business.
So, can you share your vision for motion control products, and is there any exciting developments on the horizon?
So apart from a lot of niche products we got in the industry, like our magnet-free linear motors, where it's a linear motor, we've got no magnets in the track, so that is, and it's a new technology that would work for certain applications that may be in an environment where, you know, things can be attracted to the magnets and it can cause, you know, issues when it comes to that sort of application. So we've got new technology like that. We've got our Harmonic actuators, compact rotary style, near enough zero backlash actuators. So we've got a few new products within new technologies within the range. My personal goal would be to build the brands. So you've got companies like Rockwell Automation, Beckhoff, Siemens, where a lot of customers will say, please use these suppliers because they know that they're recognized good brands. So I'd like to personally be able to build MCP's brand from that point of view, where we're like a recommended or preferred supplier for a lot of customers. And also we're supporting a lot of local campaigns like Dorset Mind with studios and women in engineering. So we're building a lot of that from a local point of view. And just generally increasing, obviously you're doing a very good job with increasing the brand and everything online. And you know, we've got a lot of targets in the future, and we've got a lot of goals to reach in the future, and that's what we're going to be going for.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, Zach, for sharing your insight and experience with us today. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos. Also, check the end screen for more Meet the Team videos. Thank you.
Thank you.